his teeth. He's trying to give it to her.
He's smiling so big at her.
Are you trying to give it to her? Oh, hi. Here you go. Oh, hi, Tom. I didn't know you were looking at me. I got your babies. I got your babies. You definitely should give that to this baby.
From the side, she looks like identical to Tom.
I hate these. Make him do that. Your baby thing. No, funny boy.
Nope, you don't need toys.
Why?
Because I wanted to play with Jenna.
It's
Toy
play.
I want to be on the floor.
If I get a nice smile, thank you. Thank you.
Can I get down now, Mommy? Is he okay to get down?
Oh yeah.
Are the dogs going to go cuckoo crazy?
No, even if they did, he's used to dogs.
Yeah, he's going to go after their paws.
Hi. Look at him.
Right to the one place.
He's so
Yeah, we gotta do the gate.
Stairs. Couldn't crawl the stairs.
Oh, he could. Did you want to crawl? Are you crawling yet?
You get the gate, babe.
That's a baby.
Yeah, because you're gonna crawl all over.
You're like, no. She's like,
She'll come see you. You gotta get her out of Mom's claws.
he's just smiling at her. He just thinks it's fun. He loves babies. He sees babies on Baby Neptune, and he just smiles at the TV.
I knew this would be the first place you go. Alright, I'll get